How many you don't kill?
Me and Danjuma kill one person and I only kill 2 people alone. Me and Danjuma kill one person, but I only kill 2 people.
Where you know Danjuma?
Danjuma is a cultist.
Is your friend Abi?
Yes.
You live together?
No, we live in the same area.
At where?
At Randa.
Randa.
Oh, you said you once said it's an AGO.
At Randa. That is where my father built house.
Okay, you live in Randa?
Before,
but you are not.
Before I get case.
What thing lead you to the first reason where you go before you come back?
It's robbery. That they used to.
So after coming back.
It's robbery that they used to carry me.
To kidnapping her.
Where is that your friend? Danjuma, where is it?
They have not catch him yet.
Where he go? Where do you know where he is?
I don't eventually know where he is now, but I know that he'll be around that. But he's not used to stay in one place.
Okay,
which country did you believe? Which?
I can actually say that I belong to a confraternity, and I can say I've not joined them yet because they only initiate me to their attending as their lover, that the upcoming courtesy, they just attend me.
Okay, what?
Abusia Mwakwaba at the Batsu Maji is soon resource and baby Kaya. When me a dear share subscribe my page, we Nefemi Adaman send a upload baby on sa a bit me a canabusia, Arrɛsted and a SC or Nigeria, Nina and a second napper be or Nigeria, a dear a babon any Ogun Ike Phillips. When you're in fear, a duno known pet 29 years a bemua and a all chesser or no or a kidnapper or sign a quarter. What this said you may ache na wakwachi the Juma wooden so a enqualanketwa and no diwomu edit said you man say be obiasman the banner whatever na no aquachino quema colan chronicitafuna na wajinafi or their pesica at their free busan who has empo busan science canmana on foul modeshiano emma wom nemo baby acheno na waku odeshiano ede na kwakoye sacrifice we yi no na makwa ni bia Arrɛsted pa so Nigeria memo na abrante police for Nigeria for no apenache yi pa afei ena nyame ayi ne so ahaban ama a police for no ensa akwakoka abrante na police for no ensa akwakoka abrante ena ode a police for no ebo anan ekọ ba bia o chinkwale ode omko ena nia okokoye om na busuafo di achi ekọ na afei abusua ewi achi no na akwakoda ne esun a abusafo no epata wo mo ne kra empata
Sorry, can you record It's okay. Sorry. It's okay.
Mommy.
Let's be. Let him leave it. Yeah. Nisuru. Enter. Small.
He's not believing, at least the facts are sacrosanct. He has led us to the various locations where he buried the victims. And it actually beats my imagination that at this age somebody can go on such an horrendous exploit. But my feeling now is we need to change our security strategy by way of creating an environment where we will include all stakeholders, particularly the mosque, the churches, our religious leaders, our traditional leaders, to do more of sensitization. Because if a 29-year-old person can be so heartless to carry out such killings, it is actually a disturbing trend. And unfortunately, these victims are all innocent kids. Because the first one was going to work, the second one was sent on an errand, the third one was sent on an errand. So, and he just entrapped by way of cajoling them into their untimely death. Well, it's a pity, but the law has to take its course. But I believe we need to escalate this so that our youths will be reminded that the only road to success is hard work.
Okay, does he kill for money or just for fun?
Initially, I was thinking he's deranged, but my conversation with him is of sound mind. He abducted them for money. He will steal their phone, tie them, strangulate them. Thereafter, use their phone to seek for ransom from their parents. The first one he collected 50,000. The other one he collected 17,000 naira. The last one he collected 30,000 naira.
Well, we have seen many of these. How much more do you do follow up? Because people will only hear exhuming, arresting, and they don't know what comes out of it at the end of the day.
What the reason behind going to the scene is to perfect our investigation, and I believe that is all the court needs to pass their judgment. This, as far as I know, is a decided matter.
Okay, arraigning him for?
Obviously, for kidnapping, murder, conspiracy.
So out of his confession, he said the parents of one of the victims said that
that was just an afterthought. He used to work with the father of the last victim, and the father sent the daughter to the farm. He is being almost part of the family. He was aware when the lady was going to the farm. He trailed her to the point and kidnapped and strangulated her just because he wanted to collect the phone and get some ransom.
How about the last victim, my sis?
That was the one I'm talking about.
Where he dumped the dead body of the girl too?
Oh, but since the incident happened right inside the farm of the victim's father, so that one had been identified, had been retrieved all before now. So that's why there's no point bothering to go to that location because they have identified the corpse there.
Sir, can you please use this medium to advise the citizen?
It's okay now.
Afurasí ọ̀daràn náà àti kọmíṣánná ọlọ́pàá ìpínlẹ̀ Ògùn ti fi
How many you don't kill?
Me and Danjuma kill one person and I only kill 2 people alone. Me and Danjuma kill one person, but I only kill 2 people.
Where you know Danjuma?
Danjuma is a cultist.
Is your friend Abi?
Yes.
You live together?
No, we live in the same area.
At where?
At Randa.
Randa.
Oh, you once said it's an AGO.
At Randa. That is where my father built house.
Okay, you live in Randa?
Before,
but you are not.
before I get case.
What thing lead you to the first reason where you go before you come back?
It's robbery. That they used to.
So after coming back?
It's robbery that they used to carry me.
To kidnapping her.
Where is that your friend? Danjuma, where is it?
They have not catch him yet.
Where you go? Do you know where he is?
I don't eventually know where he is now, but I know that he'll be around that, but it's not used to stay in one place.
Okay,
which country did you believe? Which?
I can actually say that I belong to IIed confraternity, and I can say I've not joined them yet because they only initiate me to their attending as their lover, that the upcoming courtesy team, they just attend me.
Okay, what
did you go to? Not joined them yet. I went to primary school and I went to secondary.
What's the reason behind your action? And how many have you participated in?
I don't understand what you asked.
Why are you doing that? Why are you killing people? Is it for money or for what?
It's because of the phone that we used to see from them that we wanted to collect the phone from them. And it's because of the back gang that we used to join. That is what used to lead us to. That's what lead us to those things. Because I know if I had not joined by gang and I had not used to follow those people that used to do bad things, I know that I may not be able to do all these things.
So where are those phones you have collected?
We used to sell it.
You sell it to people?
Yes.
So what do you think? What are you now thinking government will do for you now?
They should not do anything for me. Me and Danjuma and those courtesan members. Once they catch us, like if they want to give us judgment, they should just give us. They should go and kill us in it because they are the one that lead me to that stupid things.
Your name again?
Ogunaike Philip.
Phillips. Thank you.
Thank you.
Boys do not escape this. So it's so painful. The guy is just 23 years old. And the father just died. Yeah. The thing is so painful. It's so painful. I can't know how to explain because the mother is my sister. It's the one that I follow. Yeah, it's the one that I follow. I don't see this thing happen to my family before. This is the first time. They bomb me in this estate. I never knew all this place. It's painful. It's so painful.
Are you calling for justice?
Yes, we need justice. Yes, we want justice. Oh my God, my God.
Close up.
Enu tebusia we ayare hosem a asi ewo Nigeria Ogun State a ye nam so e ka che adehye a wo nam abamu we ensa so ahwe wo mu kwanyina ne se nyame emfa wo mu kra ensie se wuti abamu ano ensem anase ne nkyiremu ano de ma ensodrefo na o kire se oye ex convict se wakwakwode mu pen a eno eye robbery na ede ne koye na wasan aba afei wasan bi di sadwuma we ya police for ensa asan akwakoso mu na yibisa se prison anase ne defi yenim se so bi kodi bone na se ne kwase ne bia kodi na se na se bubo na yede ne kokoto ho se yede kwakotwe na so a yesusu ema na se gide ne se nka on free prison na on sign mra no na ebia ne yede ne koye no wasesa e de afri ho a oba abayi nipa fofora on sign kwasa atibia ne mu biem nanso empempi ne behwe no na ne bonefo sem a ekoso dodo na wo a eye no eye wo a akọ na de afie asan aba ene ya na esan ebedi sa adwuma no eme esan chi wo mu de omukum biem enu nti asemisa no akọ ese so prison ho no eye na entity ye ben ene ekoso ho den ene ye de wo mu famu nti wo mu kọ a enya ensunsu aso papa e wo mu dodo na so ne mom kakra bi na ya na sesa kakra eba na dodo na akọ eba san bedi boni empo echen ni a ede wo mu kọ ye no na akwakofa arehosem ane ayayasem e de abretimamufo na wo se aban ne braso se wo mo nhwe na yenhwe yani enhwe ni de fie ene enema ekoso e wo ho afi so abatan so yema yani na ho ebremu eye breboni wei obiti ne se obeka se ewo achichi Ghana ha ayade asanema we ni bi ekoso wo ha ya na abesimi hu se obi etwetwe nipa edna hye fridge man no so akwala sa na okoyira ya na abusuafo no ehwehwe akwala na wo mu hu na enam so emom ko hu se sa abranti ene ne bofi pami abranti ene ne ti hei se adwuma wei na wodi a eno ye kokko hu nipa nam ewo ni fridge eno anso wa ye wa ya na esan beto boti so obi nso timi akwakoda da ne nua se onfa ne baketo ma no ne nkotena ase na akwala no kwakwaje no se wo kwakoton no na kwakopɛ Canada visa e de atukwan akọ obi ma so akwakobɔ bra sa nyema we no ayade a esisinti ebrei akakakra bi amayakwakodi bronya akakakra bi amayakwakɔto aba ne yegina so e de asɛ ma no batan se ye nhwɛ ye ma no eyie se empo ebe na se ba bi ekra akwala no ɔkɔ no eye ba bi a ehowa eye ba bi a emuwa ye nhwɛ se ma bambo bi akoso ewo akwala no ho ebe ma yani ada ho fi se abodefo no omu asɔre bebre na de omu ho bajim ewo election mu ye ma yani da ho a nyame ebe ye mmoa amasa ne ma we nyina ye yeti e de afiase ma ban no so ebe mu asa ne bonefo na se nipa bonefo yi obetimi atɔre wo mu nyina so obetimi eyi wo mu nyina e de omu afri mu mema refi se obegya comment ewo video yi asa fi we ne sa no na we subscribe button so e too much na the bell na aka ho e ba na sa upload video bia woni nipa wo de kan ya onsa ebetimi aka all the social media handles ne so ko wa e too much je ho so ya na wa like na wa share e de ma me makra